As far as the Antichrist is concerned, are we expecting a person, or does it represent a period or a movement or?
Well, that's still up in the air. It could be a person, but then again, egregores tend to nucleate particular people. So we could be talking about an egregore, and in fact we are. We're talking about the egregore called Satan. Basically, that is who gives power to this Antichrist. And as the source of the power of the Antichrist, basically we can lay it all on Satan's doorstep. And Satan is an egregore that is invariant, yet can take different nuclei, different telors as its tools, and use them for its own ends. And this is what we see right now. Basically, it's the egregore of the elite, the oligarchy, global government that is taking control now, forcing us all to subscribe to its telons, to its self-configurations. In so doing, stopping us from seeing things clearly by controlling our consciousness and thusly spelling our doom. This is what Revelations is warning us about. But once again, it's a warning. It cannot be taken as something that is predetermined in the sense that you can just roll over for it and subscribe to it. It is a telor's constant responsibility to choose, right? You must determine your own destiny or participate in the determination of your own destiny. And that means that even when you are confronted with something inevitable, you are forced to choose between it and something else, right? So you can't roll over for it without choosing it. And once you choose it, you become a part of it, and therefore are denied salvation for that reason. So, we can't look at Revelations as being something that we can accept as fact. We have to choose a superior alternative, a superior moral alternative, and go with that.